This is Village Auto's 2007 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive. Absolutely gorgeous local trade. Accident-free, verified through AutoCheck. You have the rear park assist sensors, rear backup camera, rear wiper, rear defrost, tow package, custom painted alloy wheels. Very sharp, well-maintained SUV. This one does come equipped with a 6.2 liter high output V8 along with the automatic transmission. Great deal for only $9,324. Let's get inside here for you. So, of course, the full leather interior with the 8-passenger seating, factory Panasonic DVD player. You have the rear heated seats, climate control in the rear, very clean. Of course, full power options, power driver's side seat with memory, power passenger seat, power moonroof, OnStar home link, AM/FM CD player with the navigation, automatic climate control, adjustable foot pedals, steering wheel audio controls along with cruise. You also have the heated steering wheel, tow haul mode. It's all together very clean, very well maintained, fully loaded SUV that runs and drives out perfect. Stop on down to Village Auto, bring this 2007 GMC Yukon Denali all-wheel drive home.